Random string can be useful for generating passcode. In this tutorial, we will be showing how to create random string using Python. Random string can be useful for generating passcode or tokens applications. In order to form random string, we need to import random and string module from Python library. We can create a function and name the function. We call this as random string for our created function and put a bracket at the back and a semicolon. We need to be aware that the code needs to be indented in order to have successful results. We initialize s to be the random string variable, and on the right-hand side we joined the string by random uppercase, lowercase and digits with specific length that we can set in the function. Then we can run the function we created and check for the results. We can edit the parameter of the function length and different length of random string can be obtained. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe for this YouTube channel so you won't be miss the useful applications that can be used with Python.